Hey everyone, my name is Jeremy and today is a very special day for me. I recently received an incredible award from Roehl Transport for driving 1 million safe miles. I wanted to take a moment to unbox the award and share my gratitude with all of you. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the amazing support system that I have. First and foremost, I wanted to thank my teammates at Roehl Transport. Your support and camaraderie have been invaluable. Whether it's on or off the road, knowing that I have a team that I can rely on makes all the difference. A huge shout out to our maintenance and safety teams. Your hard work behind the scenes ensures I can focus on driving safely. Your dedication to keeping our equipment in top-notch condition and prioritizing safety is truly commendable. A special thanks to ATBS, who have been an incredible support. Their advice and guidance have been a key to my success, and I could not have done it without them. Finally, I wanted to thank my wife. Your unwavering support and encouragement have kept me going. This award is just as much mine as it is yours. This 1 million Safe Mile Award is a testament to what we can achieve together. Thank you, Roehl Transport, and thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey. Here's to many more miles and many more safe travels. This is it right here. It's in a hefty box. I like it. Let's check it out. All right. On first opening it up, we got, boom, this is it right here. And I think I'm gonna put it on my shelf at home. It might not be such a good idea to have it. I would have it here in the middle of the dash for everybody to see, but I think it's smarter to take it to the house and display it up there. All right, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick thank you. This does mean a lot to me, and I'm looking forward to getting many more safe miles.